Brandon Crook in the legacy lane. A happy belated birthday. His birthday was yesterday. Happy belated birthday, Mr. Crook.
Birdman.
But have you ever thought, what if this is all just a trick?
Yeah, I don't know. All right, who got ones?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
AJ's left.
AJ.
No, I said.
Hey,
no, I said it's not a bucket full of Terry Hooks. He gets rocked.
Two.
You do Toronto. Ah, motherfucker!
What'd you have?
Ryan Ross.
So left, right?
Yeah, good one.
See that?
Oh man,
Good
good
one.
one.
Yeah.
Hey! Alright. Fuck you, Brett. Alright, so now.
Hey, Ralph, do it one time. My Adidas.
Last heavyweight, come forward. Last heavyweight, come forward.
I owed you that somewhere, I'm sure.
Yeah. No
Wait.
show, no way back. I'm not abstaining. So you're going to win too? I mean, it's a race version.
They're both here to race.
They're both here to race. I'll race on.
Oh my God. So one,
Three,
yeah, three heavyweights.
No, run me first round.
Fuck you.
So heavyweights is sponsored by Terry. He's not here. Shout out to him. Y'all pay to the germ, and then we'll do the draw.
Draw a chip when you pay.
I said three.
Oh, I got the five. Let me throw it.
Well, I heard TJ say something, so I looked back at you.
Don't look in there, you cheater. All right, one.
No, run me first round.
Fuck you. That one's meant to be.
That was nice,
I couldn't get the fucking buy.
All right, so
You had to buy all year.
Yeah, you've been buying all your right. How many BMF fights? Step forward, please. So, four, are you ready?
How much is it?
Scott's already paid.
200. Nate and Scott's already paid.
You ain't running, Brandon?
You want to BMF too? Oh, shit.
I ain't got enough for you guys
We
on
got
prep.
five. All right, so let me let them draw first. You and Scott already paid.
I'll give somebody $100 if they call Scott or me out first round so we don't have to race each other.
Shoot, that's worth it there.
Anybody want it?
I'll give somebody a $100 bill to call either me or Scott out first round so we don't have to race each other.
Say $100, I might get it.
Give somebody $100 and call them out.
We gotta make a full header. It's 300 to buy in. Now, how much you buy in?
200.
200's buying.
200 buy-in.
No takers?
I feel you for not wanting to race with me.
Yeah.
Hold on. You ain't paid yet.
Oh, damn. All right.
Yeah, you
All
got
right, now pay.
What's your name?
It's all right. He'll do it when he draws.
No way. You fucking
He
kidding.
already paid.
Fuck yeah, we pulled each other.
No, you didn't.
Swear to God.
Damn it, man.
All right, the ones. We got one.
Ain't that's some shit.
Jesus.
What angle? I guess it don't matter. Hold on.
Left.
I mean, y'all might be able to get somebody to back tire to switch y'all.
You had left?
Yeah.
And then, who's riding it? Who's riding John, who's riding it?
Who's riding your bike?
There you go. That's an option. See what he said.
They'll give somebody a back tire.
So it's really Tehran. Who did y'all draw?
Who had the bike? Doug?
Oh, was it no?
Back tire.
So what are you riding? Yeah, so
They don't want to
they're
race each other.
offering
It
both of y'all the
sucks.
back tire if y'all switch.
I know.
Take your bottle off. What do you want to switch?
He's running. He's running. He's on just to.
What bike you on?
14. Doesn't even have a bottle on it.
No, it's they're running it in the all muscle middleweight.
Yeah, it's a true hand clutch bike too.
True hand clutch, all motor,
It's true hand clutch too, yeah. So
stock seat position.
Well, is this instant green?
Yeah, instant green too. Yeah, I forgot. Brad even asked me to mention that it's instant green.
I don't know if we do that. I can shift off our bottles.
I know, that's what I'm thinking too.
well, it would only be one of you because the
Well,
other
no,
one has to ride
I'm
him.
saying we would do that, but we have to have the bottle on our bike to shift. So I don't want any gray areas.
I mean, somebody can stand and watch us, make sure we don't turn the dash on, but that'd be the only way to. We have it. I mean, you can play off.
Yeah.
That's their call, but
So they have to have a bottle on.
They gotta have a bottle that shifts.
You can have one of your guys stand there and make sure we don't arm it. I mean, it's a bright red light. You can see. I mean, it's up to you. I mean, I ain't gonna cheat nobody. I ain't even got time.
I know Scott.
I'll show you where it's at, so we know what to look for.
And you can even video, you know what I mean? Get your phone out and video
They're
it.
straight up.
Yeah.
But if they're willing to let Ralph stand there, I would do that too.
But so if you say yes, then he still has to say yes.
So you giving the back tire and running on motor? Is that what it is?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Is it the back tire and running on motor, or is it just motor? Yeah, it's motor. Or,
No, just
So he's saying motor because he's on motor.
motor.
Going to give up
Oh,
the back
okay.
tire to the other bikes if that's the case?
Yeah, that was the agree. So they'll give whoever they run the back tire, and then he's asking to run on motor because he's only on motor. Are you spraying? So if he's spraying, then you're spraying. So that's just to make it more fair. So it's John said he's down with it. It's up to you. It's your call at this point.
I'm outgunned anyway. I just come just to do it.
So they're going to give you the back tire. Then.
No, I'll take my shit off. Fuck it.
All right.
everybody good with it?
So we're gonna swap.
Yeah.
All right. So hold on.
Running Nate.
No, he's running Scott. He's
Which
running
bike is
Scott.
yours? You said 14?
The green 14.
All right,
So
Brady, fill it in.
Tehran is running Scott and getting the back tire.
Which pair?
Tehran on the 14 is running Scott.
What order?
What do y'all want to do on the pair? How you want to do it? You want to swap
I don't know. I
like
lost it.
places, like in the lines, or
Because Tehran and Pete drew each other.
yeah, Pete's running Nate now.
Yeah, well, see, that's the problem.
So the run order.
I mean, it doesn't matter, man.
Yeah, he don't care on the.
I know, I just screwed my whole deal up here.
Just swap it around.
So much for that tight ship.
Big time. What a shit show. So who's the first pair?
So the first pair was Scott. Yeah, Scott and Tehran.
What lane?
Yeah, hey, what do y'all want
I
to do
didn't
on
look
lanes?
at them.
What do
We'll
y'all want to
flip
do
a
on
coin.
lanes? Flip a coin on lanes?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, well, we'll just put them in there. And then y'all be second, you and Pete will be second pair. Yeah. All right. And then they got the back.
Heads up. We're giving him the back tire, bottle to bottle.
Yep.
Cool.
That works.
You got a coin, CJ?
That way we're not driving on.
Hey, who's got a coin?
Yeah, you're running first. Your middleweight's run first.
Y'all go flip for lanes?
Yeah, 20 on
Flipper
here.
lane choice. Flipper lane choice.
Yeah, that's fine. 20 on heads. For range
You want to call it?
How much time? Give me a little bit to see.
Yeah, that's fine. Just
Well, so we're trying to figure it out so he can write it all down.
I mean, we can wait a step. I mean,
That's serious.
Both lanes are garbage right now.
Yeah, they
They
scrape
just
both
scraped
of
them.
them.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, I will take lightweight bike and get them.
Oh, the Louisville legend. The Louisville legend. All motorbike. Dropping all the money out. All motorbike winning BMF.
That's right.
Man.
Did I do?
Hell yeah. Nice job, man.
That's right. Thanks, Bert.